Hi, I'm Maureen Collins. I'm the owner of the White Azalea, and today I'm going to put together 3 different arrangements, and they're going to get your house ready for spring. So the first arrangement that I'm going to show you, I'm going to do it on my island, but you can also put it on a coffee table or a centerpiece on your dining table or a bookshelf, and it'll look great anywhere. This is a candle ring, and it's got beautiful soft greens in it, and it looks very spring. And this is a pedestal that you can use for your candle rings, for candles, or you can use it for a plant. You can even put it outside. And we're just going to put that on there. And then this is a square candle. I love that I'm pairing the square candle with the round pedestal and candle ring. And it looks so pretty. It also comes with a built-in timer. 4 hours or 8 hours, and it also comes with a remote, so you never have to really disturb your arrangement once you get it set. Then I like to pair it with a taller piece, and we're going to make an arrangements here so you can see how I put things together. And this is called a poof. Not really, but I call it a poof, and it's got beautiful greens, and all greenery brings life to any of your arrangements. So we're going to set that up. And then maybe a third piece, because I like to do things in 3. You want to have your eye go around in a circle whenever you do any arrangements. So 3 is a great number. Maybe I'll do another candle here. And since Easter's coming, I can surround that with some Easter eggs. And that looks really cute. Or maybe just a few chocolates, which is fun to do. Grab a few chocolates, put that around. Or you can fill the whole thing up with chocolates too. Just have chocolates if you don't want the candle. And put that there. And there you go. That's one arrangement. And let's say you don't want to have another candle and you don't have a third piece, but you have a cute little bunny. We can put the cute little bunny here. And there's another arrangement. My next arrangement, I'm going to use another pedestal. It has a little deeper rim, and it works great with a eucalyptus. This is a eucalyptus candle ring, and it's got some pretty light greens and yellows, and it sits perfectly in there, and it overflows on the side, which is nice. And then also one of my favorites is, especially for spring, is this little lavender and green candle ring. And this candle ring also looks great underneath your plate when you're doing a table setting. You can also use this in this pedestal with a nice round candle. And this is one of my favorites. I have this on my coffee table. And we'll just set that in there, and you can just fluff this a little bit so it's to your liking. And I'm going to pair that with a tall and maybe another candle. And this candle works well also if you want to use it on a bookcase, because it dips down and you're still able to see the flame, and I really like the way that looks. And again, all these come with remotes, and they also have built-in timers. And maybe we'll put some chocolates around here for Easter. And you know, they have those little Cadbury Easter eggs that look really cute too. That's something that you might want to use. And let's see, maybe a bird. And there you go. So for our final arrangement today, I'm going to use this cute little pedestal with birds, and it's great indoors, and it's also great outdoors as a little bird feeder. It is metal, so if you're going to use it outside, I would recommend a spray lacquer just to keep it white, the way it's chippy and looks cute. So we're going to pair this with a candle. I'll turn that candle on, and maybe some cute little eggs. I think it goes great with the bird theme that we have going on here. And I'll just throw those around, so. And then this is a taller pedestal because we want to give this arrangement some height. And I'm going to use the poof again. I think that always brings life to your arrangements when you use greenery. And maybe this little watering can bird house. Another thing you can do is maybe use 2 candles. And this is a really cute little candle ring that looks like a nest, and maybe another candle. And you can use this on your coffee table, or you can put it on a mantle, maybe a centerpiece on an end table. Thank you so much for watching this video today. All of the items in the arrangements that I showed you are linked in the description below, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.